A resident in Pengham has warned it's a matter of time before a child's hurt or killed near two local schools, citing unsafe driving and parking. It follows an incident where a vehicle allegedly struck a child car seat being carried by a pedestrian on Commercial Street. A school crossing patrol position remains largely unfilled, with the council confirming it's only been staffed for 1 day since March 2022. Caerphilly Council says road safety remains a priority and has introduced signage, reduced the speed limit to 20 miles per hour and offered green cones to the school, though staff shortages have prevented their use. Images have been released of the planned cruise station in Cardiff's Cathays area, one of 5 new metro stations being built on the Valley's Lines network. The project's part of efforts by Transport for Wales, Cardiff Council and the Welsh Government to improve public transport links across the capital and nearby towns. Cruise Station is expected to serve one of the busiest and most densely populated areas in Wales. The new station will connect residents to Cardiff Central, northern suburbs including Heath and Lisvane, and valley communities in like Bargoed and Rhymney. Construction is part of a broader metro upgrade aimed at making short-distance rail travel more viable in urban areas. Cardiff Council says it's made significant progress in promoting the Welsh language, with its 2024-25 annual report highlighting more bilingual staff, expanded training and a rise in translation services. The number of Welsh-speaking council employees has grown by 10%, with nearly 19% of the workforce now reporting Welsh language skills. Over 1,400 staff have taken part in training, exceeding targets for 2027. The council's bilingual Cardiff team translated over 13.8 million words and supported more than 250 bilingual events with live translation. The council continues to invest in language and education and public engagement as part of its long-term strategy. Police are investigating after 2 bodies were discovered in separate incidents on Sunday. A man's body was recovered from the water at Cardiff Bay after emergency services were alerted just before midday. In a separate incident, another man was found dead near the river at North Dock in Llanelli around the same time. South Wales Police and Dyfed Powys Police says neither deaths being treated currently as suspicious.